Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to make files available offline for your OneDrive PC. Now let us begin. As you can see, I have already installed the application and logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. If you don't know how to, we have created a video regarding that as well. And as I have installed the application, the Dropbox folder is also available in my file explorer. I'm gonna click on it right now. Well, this right here is my Dropbox files. And let's say I want to keep some files offline. Well, here's how you can do it. Let's say I want to keep this folder that is called as pictures available offline. I'm simply gonna right click on it and something like this will open up. As you can see, lots of options. But what you guys need to do is simply click on this button that says always keep on this device. Click on it right now. And guys, that's it. Once you click that button, all the files available in this folder will be available offline. That's the gist of it, guys. That's how we make files available offline in OneDrive desktop. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.